friends. It's Miss Mo
and Axel
with Miss Mo's Vegan Kitchen. Wow, look at this light shining.
I don't have a cup for my
what?
lemonade.
Oh dear Jesus, child. Here, this one's clean.
What? Are you sure?
Yes, because I put it there because there was no room. Okay, so we have. Oh, I don't like the way that that's shining.
No.
What is that? What's going on?
Mom, it's because there's no front light.
I don't like it.
Okay, so what you do is turn on the hallway light and turn off the kitchen light.
1 second, I'll be right back, friends.
Because then it's not direct light, like you can't see it.
Yeah. Friends, something else that I don't know if I told you. I always wear odd socks. Can you see my feet?
No.
Whatever. I've never worn a matching pair of socks since I was a kid. Unless all of my odd socks were dirty and I had to borrow Kevin's.
Or borrow mine.
Or borrow Axel's. He's always taking mine, just to say.
Yeah, but somehow mine always end up in your drawer.
Lemonade.
I've lost so many pairs of socks.
Water. Roasted garlic plum sauce.
Plum sauce?
Mac and cheese sauce. You can't eat it.
Why? What's in it?
Cornstarch.
Right, really?
Dextrose, glucose, something, I don't know.
You didn't look?
Look at these. No. Not as good as my homemade one, that's for sure. Some mushroom powder infused mashed potatoes. Some roasted cauliflower with the...
Give me some of that cheese sauce.
Mac. This is what we go through.
Well,
hi, everyone!
Mix the cheese sauce with the mayo. We don't have ketchup.
I know. He's just going through a crisis, my friends. We don't have ketchup. Thanks. We don't have margarine. Like, seriously? I will admit...
We don't even have...
that those 2 things we usually have. We don't have barbecue
sauce that I can eat. We don't have relish I can eat. Like, seriously.
Oh, it's not bad. It's definitely not as good as mine. Oh, well.
That tastes weird. Here, try it.
No, thank you.
Oh, okay,
I don't want too many different flavors. So we went to our new client today, and it was awesome.
Don't die.
Oh my gosh, friends, it's so late, and we're just sitting down to dinner now. So,
Charlie, no.
This is a family of 4, and we made them so much stuff. Because we're only going once every 2 weeks, you gotta make a lot, right? So we made lasagna. You've seen me make lasagna. We made cabbage and kale slaw salad. We made, oh my god, these are huge. No. Which one? The dip? Yeah, they're not that good. Sorry. Excuse me. What a big difference from the way I make it.
I like yours better.
Ironically, I think that this would do good as the inside dredging flour, then aquafaba, then breadcrumbs. Oh well. Remember that, friends. Don't use it as an outside breading. Not the good. Not the good. Oh well, it's all good. So lasagna, cabbage and kale slaw, mushroom infused mashed potatoes, sesame roasted Brussels sprouts,
chicken salad,
barbecue tofu, sweet and sour tofu,
fried rice,
veggie fried rice,
the flour still tastes raw.
Yeah, I know. Which is weird.
Oh no.
I feel like we're forgetting one other thing. Oh. Stir fry. Yeah. It wasn't really pad thai because it didn't end up being pad thai. It ended up being a stir fry. With noodles. I think that's it. So however many things that is, we were there for 5.5 hours. And we got all that made. It was awesome. She was so happy that she texted me right after we left. Thank you so much. I'm so looking forward to dinner. So excited. I love it. Our Tuesday client is the same way. So we'll be there next Tuesday. She's awesome. So we're going to try and get 2 more clients, I think. And then Fridays we're going to reserve for renting a space. So right now it's pouring rain. Some areas of the city are without power. Pretty close to us right now. So we'll see if we lose power or not. I'm going to charge my phone right away when I get off here. And that way I have it.
I'm going to charge my battery pack.
Oh, I should do that too. Because we don't have a landline. We got rid of it a couple of years ago because Axel had his own phone. Actually, was it before or after Nana had passed away?
After.
After. Yeah. So around 3 years ago. Because we didn't really need it. We kept it for my mom so that when she came down here for appointments, she would have it. In case they had to call 911 or whatever, right? Or just call their friends, whatever, family, to give updates.
But what? We got rid of it because Papa doesn't need it because he's got his own cell phone now.
So, tomorrow we're supposed to be hit with, how much? 5 inches?
7.8.
Did you hear that? Of snow. After this crap This is going to be an interesting weekend.
Yep.
I wonder if our friend Diane is in LA. I wonder if she'll be able to fly back tomorrow. She might not be able to.
Oh.
Because she might not be able to get a plane in.
That's right, I forgot.
Mm-hmm. So,
Come here, come here. You got
it was a fantastic day.
Nose again. Every time, onion.
Fantastic day. Cute little kitchen, perfect because it has it's not an island, but
it's an L-shaped kitchen.
Mm-hmm. So it has a long counter on the one side with the stove on the opposite side. So we had lots of counter space. Love it. Our Tuesday client, same thing.
Mm-hmm.
But massive island. So lots of counter space. Mind you, I don't really mind working in a small kitchen. Obviously, we work in one here. It's just nice to have the space. We're not bumping into each other.
Yeah.
We're used to it here, so we're just like, oh, we'll just go around. So you gotta go all the way around. Oh. My eyes are burning today again. I don't know if that's from my migraine yesterday. That's okay. If that's the only thing today after yesterday, I'm okay with that.
That's a hot fire. It's got blue flames.
Mm-hmm. I have the living room light on, so now you can at least see some of our Christmas decorations.
I have the living room on. I'm the one who turned it on in the first place, because I needed to see.
These humans, right? I think I'm full. Oh my gosh. So I started my gratitude journal, like I told you, for January 1st. And I've been writing in it every day. What?
Lemonade.
Oh, you drank lemonade.
Yeah.
You're going to get cankers.
Uh-huh.
Axel really shouldn't drink lemonade, but it's so good. Excuse me. Excuse me. You should go and brush your teeth.
Mm-mm.
Make it worse?
Makes it worse.
Anyway.
Because it's mint.
Yeah.
And it stings.
I just want the cheesy part. So.
That cheese mayo is not bad.
Okay. So tomorrow, if you want to make mac and cheese with us, you need some kind of cheese sauce. We're using Daya.
You definitely need ketchup for that.
I'm going to send him to the store for ketchup because I'm not going out if it's snowing.
What makes you think I want to go out if it's snowing?
If you want ketchup, you're going out.
I'll go and ask the neighbors.
Oh my God.
Don't die.
My eyes are watering and everything. Okay. Now I'm done. Oh, that was a lot. So, it has been a lovely month so far with my gratitude journal. I'm not sure how many days are in it, but when I do finish that, I don't even remember where I got it from. Like, somebody just gave it to me out of, like, one of the neighborhood groups. So
I thought it was in
I thought it was from the stuff from Adrienne.
Yeah, I think it was.
I think so too. So I'm going to just do it in a regular little old, you know, dollar store booklet type thing. Because it literally just says, today I'm grateful for, and then you write in, you know, 5 things or whatever you see fit that you're grateful for. Does anybody like these old school Tupperware stuff? Old school Tupperware. And then you push it down and no smells get in there. Because it's so bad if you make some kind of juice and you put it in the fridge and it picks up all the smells of the other stuff. It's so gross. Aww. So are you doing a gratitude journal? Or some kind of thing that you write in every day? Did he lick it?
No.
Oh. Don't let him lick it, please.
I'm not gonna let him lick it, but he likes it.
Lessons. Oh, lesson? Letting him smell the veganese, however you pronounce it. Does anybody know how to pronounce this?
It's veganese.
It could be veganese.
No, it's veganese.
Like vegetable. I actually usually say veganese. Better than mayo. I happen to agree. So this is egg-free, gluten-free, non-GMO, source of omega-3. There's a lot of stuff in here, though. But it's all organic, so that's good. And it's made by Earth Island. We love them. Do not freeze.
The dog just ate something off the table.
Oh, wow. Oh, look. See, look at them. They're so boring. I won't do them again like that.
No.
Definitely next time breadcrumbs. Like, when you make breadcrumbs, they're like, you crunch and they make noise. Like, they're delicious. I got no dip left either.
They almost look like uncooked fish sticks.
Yeah.
They're nasty. We should have just had leftovers.
They're so pasty. I know! We could have had to check on the noodles. Well, the rest of it was good. Let me show you Axel's plate. He ate his mashed potatoes. He ate, how many of these? 2?
1.
No, I gave you about 5. And
no, but I only ate...
So who ate the rest? The dog?
No. You didn't give me 5, because there was one that
and there's
was
this cauliflower that he loves sitting on his plate.
I'm not that hungry.
You know why? There's no ketchup.
I don't eat ketchup with my cauliflower.
I'm still so ticked off about these. Tastes like raw flour.
It would taste better if there was ketchup.
I almost want to dip them back in aquafaba, dip them in real breadcrumbs, and cook them again.
That would be...
Man!
That, like, breading... it's not even breading. That flour would be good if you were actually deep frying it. Because it's thin, right?
I think it's just a flour mix, friend. Let's check this out. No, it says batter! What in the holy hell?
Are you supposed...
Wait, let's read the instructions.
You're supposed to mix it with something.
Yeah, you are.
Oh my god.
Okay.
You didn't read the instructions before you used it?
Oven bake directions. Wet food pieces. Lightly coat them in pure batter and bake in the oven. That's
you should contact the company and tell them that's wrong because it tastes nasty.
Seriously, dudes. Wake up, man. Did you taste this stuff before you told us to do that? But if you deep fry it, you're supposed to mix it with soda water, beer, or an egg. What? Wait a minute. In separate bowl, whisk 7 ounces of soda water or beer. Oh, okay. With 1 egg. That's supposed to be... So we could do aquafaba for that. And then you pour wet ingredients into the dry pure batter and whisk it into a smooth batter. And then you coat the food pieces in the batter and carefully submerge into the hot oil. excuse me, we don't really like to deep fry. Because, you know, we live in an apartment. It tends to set off the smoke detector. Yeah. But we've done it before. And we don't have one of those active fries.
Air fryer.
Yeah, I don't know if it would work with this. And then pan frying. Wow, each thing is different.
In the UK, we got a air fryer.
Whisk 2 eggs in mixing bowl. Yeah.
We made chips in
wet the food pieces in egg mixture, so we could do aquafaba again. Lightly coat food pieces in pure batter. No. No. Purist, we love your stuff. But this is not it. I'm sorry, my friends.
What did we...
It smells good, but it doesn't taste
good. The coating last time?
Breadcrumbs. Panny Rizzo.
But it wasn't just breadcrumbs. Because it was like...
It was dipped in flour.
Colored stuff.
It was dipped in flour. Oh, I mixed like oregano and all kinds of junk in there.
Yeah, see that
thyme and oregano and basil and salt and pepper and celery seed and oregano and.
That's oregano.
Okay, purist, I love you, but you gotta fix this. Tell me what we did wrong. We're vegan, so we can't use eggs, so we're gonna use aquafaba. Maybe we will try deep frying it, or we'll try it as the first dredging station. Look at it. And that was baked for 25 minutes.
Bake in the oven at 425 until golden and crispy.
Wow.
So you're supposed to bake it until it's crispy.
We're going to be eating tomorrow.
Turn the oven up.
Yeah, maybe. We'll try again. I'm not going to turn the product down because it has good flavor. But it tastes like raw dough. Raw flour. And I'm just not liking that.
There's potato flakes in it.
Yeah, you can taste that.
I can't.
I can.
I just taste raw flour. Tastes nasty. Apparently there's savory in it too. But
If you're wondering what that stuff in there, obviously it's lime. Not lime.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Mint leaves. Because we have lime leaves in the fridge. Everything in that drawer smells like lime leaves now, by the way. As soon as you open... You asked me to buy them the other day. We're going to use those for curry or whatever you said, and we haven't used them. They're just sitting in the fridge making everything else smell like lime leaves.
We didn't have curry on the menu this week. It's for next week.
What's on the menu? It's for next week? We haven't made next week's menu.
No, but when we were at the store, I said, oh, we should get this so we can make curry. And you said, okay, we'll make it next week.
Were you there, friend? Did you hear me say that? I'll have to watch the video. Okay.
Or what was... I don't even know what we ate.
When?
Summer rolls... I'm trying to read the menu. Chicken and noodles.
Sushi.
Sushi and...
Lasagna.
Okay. So
you know who loves lasagna?
Me.
Garfield.
Oh, yeah.
Anyway. Okay, my friends. I think that's enough of me being goofy. Can you tell I'm tired? I get really goofy when I'm tired. I mean, I'm goofy all the time anyway, but I get even more goofy when I'm tired.
I get, like, really depressed when I'm tired.
No, it gets quiet. Like, listen to that. Oh, friends, you should see our window. It's so awful. Boo. All right, my friends. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you know when we put up a new video. Come on, you know what I say.
I don't know what you say, actually.
We love you. Keep
smiling.
And stay
happy.
Stay blessed, my friends.
Oh.
Okay, flick it.